Hey guys, we were all finished up with chatting, but then Dr. Mwamba and I just got to talking about this subject, and I thought, I want him to share his perspective on this. And it's, one of the things that you guys say a lot in comments, and I'm sure Dr. Mwamba's heard a ton, is guys that are like, oh, what's wrong with you? Why do you want to go for a hair transplant? Because, can't you just like be confident in yourself? Or like, do you feel like you're suffering so much by hair loss that you have to go get a hair transplant? And Dr. Mwamba was saying I think that's completely the wrong attitude. So can you explain a little bit what you were saying there?
Yeah, I was saying like hair transplant at the beginning, like of course there is those patients who's complaining about their self-confidence. But what I just realized, if we bring the industry, and that's really my goal, is to bring the industry to the level where we can offer very good result. And what I was sharing with David here was like, my brother, he is bald. He never think about hair transplant, and he's a very confident guy, like more confident than him. He's really confident. But now, when they were starting to look at my result, they were kind of, wow, this is great. So I say, hey, but I'm bald. Why you don't put me? I say, but you look good. You don't complain. I say, no, put me. I want to look like that.
Yeah.
So it's like, for me, it brings like a joy because I kind of, oh, wow. It's like, I like this car. I want to drive. Why not? I can afford it. I just get that car. So you become in a mood of enjoying life because it's available. Someone can provide that to you. And I told her, my wife did a surgery. She never really complained that she was losing hair. She was hyper confident. But then when she said, but Patrick, you doing hair transplant so people look good. Why not me? I'm kind of, why you? You don't complain about it. But we did the surgery and she's happier. Like I would say she's happy because now she kind of, this is the way I want it to look and I look like that.
Yeah.
So hair transplant has to be that plus in life.
Yeah.
That's, I want a nice clothes because I want to look good. You feel good, it's not because of others, it's just because that's the nature. We like to look good.
Yep.
And hair transplant belongs to that category. But we need definitely to train, more training, more physicians who understand that concept. Like, it's not like just because someone loses confidence, but we can bring that joy, that plus. Like someone didn't think about it, but because it's so good, you say, why not?
Yeah, once you get the industry up, we get the education of medication and like the real statistics over medication and what works. Once you get hair transplant to the point where it's mostly excellent surgeons doing great work, then that's the point where people will hopefully get hair transplants just because they want to look better and not because they're like, I'm depressed, I'm going to kill myself because I'm losing all my hair, I'm 20 years old and I look like I'm 40 years old really the goal is, and I get all these comments, especially now that my hair looks pretty good, and they're like, why are you going to get another hair transplant? It's like, why not? Like, if I can look better, why would I not do that? If you can afford your dream car, then why would anyone say to you, oh, don't go buy your dream car, you should just drive that beat up Honda Civic that you're driving or whatever? Like, that doesn't really make any sense.
Doesn't make any sense.
And it's not fun for the surgeons. It's not fun for you guys. Like, really, I know you want to help people that are in those kind of dire positions, but I'm sure it's more fun when you just have somebody walk into your office that already feels good, already feels confident. It's just like, I've got some recession here. I'd love to get my dream hairline, and then you can just chat it up, have a good time, give them their dream hairline, have them walk out and be living the dream.
And living the dream. Yeah. We deserve to live the dream.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Okay. Thank you for watching.